Nobody told you about your hygiene, but I will. I'm your big sister, okay? I'm not here to judge you, but I'm just letting you know you stink. Hey y'all, it's your girl Shatavia Monet, and I am back again with another video. As y'all can see by the title, we are going to get into hygiene. I'm not about to make this intro too long, so let's just hop right into the video. First thing, I made like a whole list, y'all. Like, I made a list of things that you need to know to be smelling good 24/7 all day long, okay? First thing first, we're gonna talk about body care. Before you touch your body, and if you haven't seen my shower routines, make sure you go ahead and click this link right here, or just check out my playlist. But I always wash my hands before I touch my face, my body, period, any parts of my body, okay? So the first thing you wanna do is cleanse your hands. Do you know that your hands are the dirtiest parts of your body? Because you literally touch everything with your hands. You do everything with your hands. So yeah, cleanse your hands. Get into them fingernails, okay, love? Some of y'all might fight me, but I'm just being honest. And I was one of these girls a few months ago. I'm about to put you on game, okay? So for those of you who be washing off with a beauty bar or those soaps that smells like a perfume in the bottom, you're dirty. You're dirty. That's not cleansing your body. Double cleansing is what's important. So double cleansing is basically you starting off with an antibacterial soap. Dettol, Dial, those are antibacterial soaps. Now, I know there's probably other soaps out there, but the soaps that I use is the Dial antibacterial soap. Dial eliminates 99% of bacteria that's lingering on your body. I've heard a couple people say that Dial does kind of like dry out their skin or whatever. For me, it doesn't, but it's really good to fight acne on your skin if you've struggled with body acne, and just to clean your skin from all the dead skin, sweat, anything that's laying around in your skin throughout the day. You know what I mean? So like you carrying everything from outside, from work, and just the environment on your skin for hours. So you start off with an antibacterial soap. Okay, so after you cleanse your body with an antibacterial soap, then you want to follow up with a beauty bar. I love Ivy products. Once again, if you haven't seen my shower routines, go ahead and check it out, because I always use Ivory or Dove, but mostly Ivory. Ivory is very gentle on the skin, and if you have like sensitive skin like I do, it's perfect for you, and it smells so good. I recommend the coconut scent or the honey scent. But those are like scented body wash. You know, of course we want to smell good. Of course we want to, you know, our body to feel good and feel moisturized. But yeah, don't just wash off with a beauty bar. Okay, so yeah. Now let's talk about deodorant. We all know deodorant is very important. But when I tell you guys, I be smelling some girls, not like sniffing girls, but like when they walk past me and their underarm is stinky. Buy deodorants that are pH balanced. If you're getting deodorants that doesn't meet your needs, then there's something wrong. Okay, don't be going for the deodorants that be smelling like roses and penny and all that, vanilla and all that stuff. That's cool, but get you a deodorant that's pH balanced. Okay, you don't want to knock off your pH balance. We all know for girls, pH balance is very important. So get a pH balanced deodorant. I have Suave pH balanced deodorant, and it's like the fresh scent. Perfect. I want to make sure my pH balance is straight, and I'm trying to make sure you guys know and have you guys smelling good 24/7. So I meant to say Secret. I use the Secret pH balanced shower fresh deodorant, and it has 24-hour invisible solid hold. When I tell y'all, like, I've tried so many deodorants. Suave, I like Dove, but it's kind of too expensive. So if you're more on the like cheaper side, Secret is really good. But I've tried so many deodorants, and when I tell you, like, I literally was sweated out, and my underarms would be like sweaty and like stinky, and I'm like, yeah, no, we're not doing that. So Secret is that girl. Okay, get you a pH balance. Y'all see that? a pH balanced deodorant. Another deodorant that I do recommend is Lumi. I love Lumi down bad, okay? And I don't buy Lumi all the time because it is on the expensive side. It's like literally maybe $14. It's really expensive. They do have like the little miniature deodorants as well, but it's like always sold out. Everywhere I go, it's like always sold out. But Lumi is really, really good. It's a whole body deodorant. Y'all know Lumi. It's very popular. I also showed it in my last video as well. But if you sweat a lot, or if you just have like that odor whenever you're working and you just, you know what I mean, you just apply it in your arms, anywhere that you sweat. Some girls got the big boobies, so we got to put it in between, you know what I mean. It literally works. It's like heaven sent. The benefits is the odor protection is 72 hours, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it says what it does. 72 hours protection. Go ahead and try Lumi. I promise you guys, you'll love it. All right, let's talk about your girl downstairs. I've been seeing a lot of people, when I be watching like shower routine videos and stuff like that, I be seeing a lot of people use like Dove down there, or just any heavy scented soap down there. And I have never seen anybody use soaps that's meant to be down there. I'm here to tell you, some of these soaps that y'all love, like Dove, etc., will knock off your pH balance because it's not meant to specifically be down there. Buy a soap that's meant for your lady part. Vagisil is a really, really good product. For one, it's pH balance, so it literally have your pH balance on track and just smelling good and fresh all day. Now, if you want to get Dove products, listen, that's you. If you want to get any other products that's not meant for your girl downstairs, then that's you. As long as it says pH balance, like whatever pH balance to make sure the girls down there is good, get it. But do not use these heavy scented soaps down there. It's not meant to be used down there. It will literally knock off the pH balance, and you wonder why you be smelling. It's because you be using those soaps that you're not supposed to be using. Vitamins. Vitamins is really important for your overall health and for your girl downstairs as well. Probiotics, prebiotics, suppositories like boric acid. If you don't know what boric acid is, sometimes, listen, we're not all perfect. Sometimes our girl downstairs can get off track, but it happens, okay? It happens sometimes. So if you notice like your discharge is just off or the smell is off, go ahead and take a boric acid. They have boric acid suppositories on Amazon. They have it at Target. They have it at Walmart. I will link the one that I used in the description box below and in my Amazon storefront. It's really, really, really good. Euro is so good. If y'all haven't tried Euro, y'all need to go ahead and try it. I know they have some on the TikTok shop, on Amazon, on their website. I will link their Instagram name in the description box below as well. I ran out and I really wish I could show you guys the bottle, but I'll just put a picture on the screen. But it's so good to keep your girlfriend downstairs fresh, to make sure it's, you following me. I also love Azo as well, the cranberry gummies or the pills. I don't be playing about my girl downstairs, y'all. I be wanting to make sure she is straight. The smell, the taste, everything. You still walking around here with smelly hair that you haven't washed in 2 weeks. Baby, come here. Hair care is a part of hygiene. I cannot explain how many times I've walked past somebody and their hair smells like mildew, dirty laundry, and say for example you going up to a guy and y'all on a date and he come to hug you, and he's like, and you looking at him like, girl, you know, wash your hair. Washing your hair can be a pain, but it's just as important. You don't want to attract any bugs. You don't want to attract lice, all that nasty stuff. Just wash your hair once or twice a week, or depending on your scalp, whatever products you want to use, make sure you wash your scalp. Like for me, I have a skin condition and I have to at least wash my hair like 4 times a month at least. If y'all want to know what products that I use, I'll put a picture up here. I'll link it in the description box below. I've never had like yellow teeth All my life I had white teeth. I always get compliments. Oh my gosh, how do you get your teeth so white? What do you use? Da, 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 da. I use Crest 3D White Radiant toothpaste. I love that toothpaste. Damn, it literally works. Like, it says what it does. It works. I usually brush my teeth like twice a day, like in the morning and then after I eat for dinner or before I'm going to bed. That toothpaste, chef's kiss. That's how I get my white smile. That's how I get my white smile. Flossing, yeah, we don't even gotta talk about it. We're grown here. We know flossing is important, right? That's how people get bad breath, because they don't floss. Flossing is so important. So not flossing leads to gum disease, bad breath, just all type of health conditions. So please floss your teeth, because that also freshens your breath as well. Mouthwash is the key to having white teeth and a fresh breath. I like the Sculpt Squeeze mouthwash. I usually get like the miniature one that you see, like the travel size miniature one. That works perfect as well. The benefit of using the Crest 3D White Radiant toothpaste is it freshens your breath, it fights tartar and plaque, gum diseases, and it also reduces the risk of cavities. I love to eat a lot of candy or sweets, period. I always use it as a backup to just like knock off all the cavities and just clean my teeth from all that sweets. That's how you get white teeth, if you didn't know. 3D Crest and the mouthwash. So like, literally. This one is very important. Brushing your tongue. Let me say it again. Brushing your tongue. You can't brush your teeth, your gums, floss, and mouthwash without brushing your tongue. That's where all the stinkness come from. That's where all of the bacteria and the bad breath come from. Did you know that? When you wake up in the morning and you see your tongue is like white, and just brushing your tongue is important. Do that for at least 20 to 30 seconds or 2 or 3 times. I usually do mine like 2 or 3 times. Okay, y'all, I've seen it all. One of my pet peeves is I hate when somebody has bad breath. That's just a turn off for me. I don't want to see, when I'm talking to you, I don't want to see your tongue white. If I see a white tongue, then it's a turn off, and I don't want to be your friend no more. Or maybe I want to be your friend, but I'm just letting you know, like, yeah, brushing your tongue is important too, because that also leads to bacteria and diseases, and we don't want that. Let's talk about moisturizing the body so you can smell good 24/7, and so you can just lock in that moisture. So if you ever heard of the sandwich method, it's basically layering scents so it can stay on your body for hours, all day basically, and just so you can be smelling good 24/7. What scent you like to use, like vanilla, like a clean scent, anything that's just like your go-to. Then you want to start out with a base, like a body lotion, a body cream. I like to do body creams or body butters because I feel like it's more moisturizing, and it kind of holds the scents more. And then you want to go with the perfume. I love vanilla and coconut scents, so those are my go-to scents. You want to seal it in with a body oil. So what I usually do is I get my body oil that I like, and then I'll put my favorite fragrance in it, and then I'll shake it up and just like lather it all over my body, like this. Moisturize my whole body. When I tell you guys, I literally smell good all day. I literally smell good all day. So if you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. I promise you guys, you will never turn back. Especially for the winter time. It's winter time, so we want to lock in that moisture, and we just want to be smelling good, like, you know what I mean? Also, I don't know if you guys heard of hair perfume, but I haven't really personally used hair perfumes like that, but I will take my vanilla fragrance oil and I'll rub it in my hands, and I'll like apply it to my hair so your hair can smell good as well, because you can't have your body smelling good and your hair don't be smelling good. You want to make sure your hair smells good as well too. So if you have like a body mist or something like that, you can also apply that to your hair. Perfect. It works the same. It works the same. I forgot one other important thing. Make sure you're throwing away your toothbrush like every 3 months, because that holds bacteria, and eventually it will have your breath smelling stink. we don't want that. Also, buy those little caps for your toothbrush. I don't remember the brand name, but I'll put it on the screen here. It's like a little cap holder that you put over your toothbrush so it can sanitize your toothbrush overnight or just throughout the day. I've been seeing some people who just have their toothbrushes hanging around. Like they would have it on the counter, they would just have it in like the toothbrush holder, just like having all that fumes and dust and everything. No, get you a toothbrush holder. I promise you it will save your life, and it literally sanitizes your toothbrush for you. Yeah, I think we talked about everything. I literally like went through my whole list, so that's basically it. Just simple. Like it's really not hard to be that girl. It's really not hard to keep up with yourself at all. And I'm really talking about the girlies who's like becoming a teenager and becoming a young lady, because you know, sometimes our parents don't really teach us these things, or you have to like basically look for help. So I'm your big sister. I'm not judging you guys at all, but I'm just here to help. So if you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. And I really love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if y'all want a makeup tutorial, let me know, because the makeup is eating down. The makeup is literally eating down. Lip combo, every single thing. But yeah, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell on so you will see more of me. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye.